Alright, I'll be picking this Masterlock 930. And just the shape of the body is the newer model, and it does have spools in it compared to the ones with none. So I'm gonna left there picking this direction, it's easiest for me, but if you look, I'm actually using the entire bar. It needs a lot to be able to turn it open, like just way too much. Now to actually pick it, it doesn't seem to need as much. So you'll see I'm gonna go out the number 1 pin. There it is. And now I'm gonna apply pressure and just keep pushing at it. I'm doing a lot of torque. I don't need to necessarily be lighter on it. I do have to counter rotate, obviously. And if you look how much this metal bends. So I could hold it up here to help it, but my goodness, it takes a lot. Alright, so because this is guttable, we'll gut it real quick. So let's get this metal out. Alright, that's, as you can see, a lot of work. Alright, this is a 7/16 I have. So let's open this up. Let's just put this guy away. Put it up here out of sight. Alright, we got the core now. Just take a look what's inside. I'll just use this so that way you can actually, I can bring it up to the camera later. So, take this apart real quick. Well, interesting. I thought that I'd be able to take it apart, but you can't. There's no C-clamp on it. It's very interesting. Can't take it apart to show you. Nope.